All right, good afternoon, Utah. I'm meteorologist Nate Larsen filling in for Thomas this afternoon. Hey, we've got a gorgeous start right now. We're into the early afternoon in southern Utah. The Southern Utah Camera Network showing again. We do have a little bit of cloud cover still hanging around the St. George area, but east of I-15 and near Penguin, we're talking about some of those thunderstorms that were brewing, that severe thunderstorm warning expiring here right now. But still, the cell is brewing out there. We have had some active weather in Salt Lake County, moving across the Wasatch Range into the Wasatch back into the Uintas. Now we'll show you some of that on radar as well. But this is Jordanelle Reservoir. Looks like a lot of the storms have cleared out from the lake. There were quite a few boats trying to come off the lake as that storm was rolling by in the Wasatch back region as well. So that's what we can expect to continue for today. We're not done with the showers. We've had a little bit roll through. We do have continuing monsoon storms flaring up, especially east of I-15 throughout Utah. Winds are going to get really blustery throughout the end of the week. So we've got breezy winds today, tomorrow. In fact, all the way into the extended forecast, we're going to be looking at winds kind of sticking around. We'll show you which days are going to increase those wind speeds. Flash flooding, of course, remains a concern, especially down south of the national park regions. And we're looking at more potential, storms, mainly in southern Utah. Satellite and radar showing, again, the ridge off to the east of us, still helping to usher up some of that southwest flow, that monsoonal flow. There is a weak cold front that's still sliding through. That's helping to generate a little bit more instability in the atmosphere, helping flare up some of these thunder showers as well. And we're going to keep this pattern even into Thursday. In fact, here's kind of the Thursday setup. So some of that monsoon flow shifts a little bit further into Utah. So these areas in the eastern part of the state have a greater potential for some heavy rains, some flash flooding, of course, thunderstorms. And so we're really going to be watching those low-lying areas, the slot canyons, normally dry beds. They have a potential for flooding tomorrow. In addition to today, we'll kind of show you some of the increased risk into tomorrow. So Futurecast, putting it into motion. Again, the biggest concentrations of storms that we're looking at in the central and southern part of the state, but we can't rule out some scattered showers and thunderstorms in northern Utah as well. In fact, this is about 6 o'clock, showing that we could have some thunder showers roll through the Wasatch Front. Storms kind of clear out into Thursday, at least up north. Note the pattern continues over the central and southern part of the state into tomorrow. In fact, yeah, if you've got plans to be out recreating, hiking in some of our national park, state park locations, you really want to keep your eye to the sky, keep track of the forecast. I wouldn't go anywhere you don't have cell phone range, which of course that's pretty common in southern Utah, where we do have the potential for some of these storms to really flare up. So regional forecast, again, temperature-wise this afternoon, we're still in the 90s, closer to average today, not quite as toasty as yesterday in the northern part of the state. Down south, 102 St. George, 96 Lake Powell, Price, 86 or so, 99 in Moab. And as we get into the extended forecast for St. George, triple-digit heat sticking around through at least Saturday. Breezy winds, slight chance of some storms. Note that we do have breezy winds. I think partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies on the July 4th holiday, Monday. Weekend looks pretty good. Looking at your extended forecast for the Wasatch Front, you get a chance of storms today and again tomorrow. We're in the 90s, up to 99 Saturday. Should be a nice start into next week.